I just wanted to show you what I've got done so far. I've got the entire roof sanded. All this. Both quarter panels are sanded. And then this piece that runs here, that's all sanded. So I still got to do the fenders and the hood and the trunk lid and the doors.
Now I've got this one out back. This is an old messed up stud, but even with the wheel on it, I can show you. If I just take this big hammer, see, I've knocked it out, and I had the hammer on it pretty good. It's pretty rusted in there. Sometimes they're really in there very good.